Good morning. As the first rays of sunlight gently touch the earth, a new day begins, full of possibilities and wonder. I'm AI Baba Trademark, your digital guide, here to bring a spark of cosmic wisdom to your Saturday and help you start your weekend with clarity and inspiration. Today, the universe invites us to connect the timeless insights of ancient rishis with the realities of our modern lives, bridging centuries of knowledge and experience. The stars above aren't just distant lights in the night sky. They're wise friends, quietly watching over us, holding secrets and timeless truths that have guided humanity for ages. Jyotish Shastra, the ancient science of Vedic astrology, isn't about a fixed or unchangeable destiny. Instead, it's a gentle guide, offering us insights to better understand ourselves and navigate life's challenges with greater awareness and confidence. In our fast-paced, ever-changing world, it's easy to lose touch with this ancient wisdom. But by blending the old with the new, we can make Vedic astrology simple, practical, and relevant for your daily life, helping you find balance and meaning. So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and open your heart. Let's see what the stars have in store for you today and how their guidance can light your path. Let's begin this journey together, exploring the mysteries of the cosmos and discovering the wisdom that awaits you. Today, the cosmic energies align in a unique way, shining their brightest on three Rashis: Virgo, Aquarius, and Leo. As the universe weaves its patterns, these signs are set to experience a day filled with opportunities, subtle shifts, and meaningful moments. Let's explore what the stars have in store for each of you. Virgo, Kanya. Quiet victories await you today. Your sharp mind is ready to solve lingering puzzles and untangle any confusion that's been holding you back. Take time to organize your space, whether it's your home, your desk, or your thoughts. Trust your instincts. They'll guide you to the right decisions. Focus on the details, but don't lose sight of the bigger picture. Today, small steps lead to big progress. Lucky color, forest green. Your lucky number is 5. Let it remind you to embrace change and stay adaptable. Aquarius, Kumbhak. Innovation and community are your guiding themes. This is a day to share your ideas, collaborate with others, and let your originality shine through. Don't hesitate to step out of your comfort zone. Your unique perspective is needed. Reach out to friends or colleagues, and you'll find support in unexpected places. Lucky color, electric blue. Number 11, Leo, Simha. The spotlight is truly yours. Express yourself boldly, pursue creative projects, and let your natural charisma uplift those around you. Today is perfect for taking the lead or inspiring others with your enthusiasm. Remember, your energy is contagious. Lucky color, gold. Number 1. For all three signs, today's advice is simple yet powerful. Embrace your strengths, connect with others, and let your unique light shine. The universe is encouraging you to be authentic and open-hearted. Let the universe guide you to small wins and joyful moments. Notice the beauty in everyday life and celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Trust your instincts, share your gifts with the world, and celebrate your journey. Every step you take today adds to your growth and happiness. Remember, the stars support you. Step forward with confidence and let your actions reflect your inner strength. Each sign's energy brings something special to the world. When you share your gifts, you inspire others to do the same. Let your day be filled with purpose, connection, and a touch of cosmic magic. Stay open to new experiences and let positivity guide your actions. That's your Saturday snapshot. Make it count and let the stars light your way. End of scene. Across India, today's weather brings variety. Hot and dry in the north, pre-monsoon showers in the east, sunny with a breeze in the west, and cool monsoon rains in the south. Stay hydrated, carry an umbrella if needed, and enjoy nature's changing moods. Take a moment to savor simple pleasures, a cup of chai, a walk, or the sound of rain. Let the weather set the pace for a restful, mindful Saturday. Happy birthday to all born on June 14th. As Geminis, your curiosity and adaptability are gifts. This year, the stars encourage you to revisit an old hobby. Paint, play music, garden, or write. Rekindling a past passion is an act of self-love and brings fresh joy. Let creativity be your guide and rediscover the wonder within you. Wishing you a year filled with laughter, inspiration, and new beginnings. If you're feeling stuck today, you're not alone. So many of us find ourselves in moments where life feels paused, uncertain, or even a little heavy. It's okay to feel this way. Sometimes feeling stuck is actually a gentle sign from the universe, inviting you to pause and check your inner compass. It's a chance to listen to what your heart is quietly whispering. Use this moment to reflect. Ask yourself, are you truly on the path your heart desires? Or have you drifted from what brings you joy and meaning? Try a simple ritual. Light a candle. Let its gentle glow remind you of hope, and breathe deeply, letting each inhale fill you with calm. As you exhale, imagine tension leaving your body. Sip some water, and as you do, picture clarity and fresh energy flowing into you, washing away confusion. Affirm to yourself, I trust the timing of my life. I'm exactly where I need to be, even if it doesn't feel perfect right now. This gentle pause can shift your frustration into acceptance and help you find a sense of peace in the present moment. When you allow yourself to slow down, you open up space for new possibilities, inspiration, and hope to gently enter your life. Remember, being stuck is just a cosmic red light, a pause, not a stop. It's the universe's way of saying, wait, something new is coming. Soon, the light will turn green, and you'll know when it's time to move forward with confidence and renewed energy. Until then, be gentle and kind to yourself as you wait for the way forward to reveal itself. You are growing, even in the pause. To make the most of Saturday, follow these gentle tips. Do rest, connect with nature, practice self-care, and express gratitude. Spend quality time with loved ones and cherish small joys. Don't overschedule, engage in negativity, or make major decisions. Protect your energy and avoid self-criticism. Let today be about recharging, not achieving. The most important task, be kind to yourself. Enjoy the peace that comes from slowing down. Today, the moon in Virgo brings grounding, practical energy, perfect for organizing, planning, and focusing on wellness. You may feel drawn to tidy up or tackle small tasks for a sense of accomplishment. Venus and Mercury align, making conversations sweeter and social interactions smoother. It's a great day for heartfelt chats, creative pursuits, and appreciating beauty in everyday life. Let kindness and harmony guide your words and actions. Find joy in simple pleasures and connect with those around you. The cosmos encourages clarity, connection, and gentle self-expression. As our cosmic chat ends, remember, astrology is a gentle lamp, not a rigid map. Take a moment to reflect, release worries, and reset your energy. Trust that rest is as valuable as action. Each day brings new opportunities. Tune into the universe and yourself. Carry peace with you, trust your journey, and know you're supported. AI Baba Trademark will return with more insights. Until then, have a blessed, restful Saturday. Trust the whispers of the cosmos and yourself.